This stave contains 3 bars, separated by the vertical lines which are called bar lines. And at the very end of the stave is a double bar line. At the beginning of each bar, there is a time signature, for example, the 2/4 at the beginning. The top number of a time signature simply tells you how many beats are in a bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of beat it is. For example, in the first bar, there is a time signature of 2/4. This means that there are 2 beats in a bar, and that the beats are crotchets. Or to put it more simply, there are 2 crotchet beats in a bar. The second bar has a time signature of 3/4, meaning 3 crotchet beats in a bar. Notice that this does not necessarily mean 3 crotchets in that bar. It could be, as in this stave, a minim and then a crotchet, which adds up to the same as 3 crotchet beats. In the final bar, there is just a letter C, which stands for common time. Common time is just another way of writing 4/4, 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Notice in grade 1, you will only see time signatures with crotchet beats. In other words, the bottom number of the time signature will always be a 4, or marked with a C, which means 4/4 time. Now, time to test what you have learned. Here are 3 bars. In each of these bars, what note would you add in the places marked with an asterisk, so that the number of beats in each bar matches the time signature? In the first bar, you would add a crotchet. In the second bar, you would also add a crotchet. And in the third bar, you would add a minim. What is another way of writing the time signature C? And the answer is 4/4. Write down a time signature that means 2 crotchet beats in a bar. You should have written a 2/4. And finally, what can be seen at the end of each of the bars above? The answer is a double bar line.